Hey guys, it's Mike with A&M here. Today we are gonna clean up this entire yard. It's got a ton of pine straw and it's got a bunch of trash. So here's all the pine straw. We gotta pick up all this and load it up on the trailer. We're actually only like 10 minutes away from the dump, so that's a good thing. But we're gonna have to take multiple trips to the dump today. And then I'm gonna have two guys just keep running trash. And then I brought a lawnmower. I'm gonna mow over all this, and I brought a weed whacker, a leaf blower, and we have rakes and tarps. Then over here underneath this pavilion there is a ton of trash. We will be removing all this, so I'm gonna put pine straw on the truck first and then put these bags to kind of weigh it down. Then back here is a whole another area we're gonna have to clean up all this and mow it and make it look really nice. So that's what today's video is gonna be about. I'm gonna put it on a time lapse and we are going to start with the front yard. All right guys, we're about 1/5 of the way done. We picked up a bunch of big piles. I'm about to mow the front and make a nice pine straw bed for them. My other guys out there working on the pavilion, getting all the trash out of there. Now we're gonna do a time lapse of me just cutting this. Now I'm gonna come through here with the weed whacker, knock down all this stuff, and then with the leaf blower and clean it up real nice. I mowed it all into little piles around these trees, but I still gotta go through here with the weed whacker here. We gotta clean up this whole porch area over here. But this is what I did here. So now there's just pine straw beds. So that'll look good. They're gonna try to sell this house. So yep, now I'm gonna weed whack and leaf blow, and then we'll show you guys the finished product. All right guys, we are finishing up this job. I'm gonna just show you everything that we did. So here's the front. As you can see, we got up a lot of the pine straw, and she was happy with all these beds. We put the pine straw on the beds. Got a little bit of leaf blowing to do on this concrete here. Same thing over here. We put some pine straw, utilized it around that tree. I actually edged the whole driveway for it real nice. And he's over here leaf blowing. So sorry about the noise. This whole entire carport is now clean. Looks really good. Then back here we mowed and it looks 100 times better as well. So leave a comment how much you think I charged for this job, and in a couple weeks I'm going to put how much I actually charged after I get a few comments. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you next time.